Have you ever wondered why high-end athletic sneakers often carry a premium price tag above $200? Behind the iconic logo lies a sophisticated combination of modern science, industrial automation, and cutting-edge design engineering. Massive manufacturing hubs receive hundreds of shipments containing sustainable polymers and premium recycled raw materials every day. Automated machinery carefully logs incoming materials to track resource allocation across the entire global manufacturing network. Specialized technicians gear up in sterile protective uniforms to maintain pristine conditions inside the production facility. Digital masterboards track aggressive production targets as facilities gear up to manufacture 30,000 shoes daily. Computerized scanning stations verify material barcodes to ensure absolute traceability from raw component to finished sneaker. Advanced laboratory systems test yarn tensile strength to guarantee maximum durability during high-intensity athletic performance movements. Raw rubber elements undergo rigorous chemical composition analysis before entering the core high-temperature molding lines. With initial protocols finalized, the product journey shifts toward the high-tech digital design studios where concepts ignite. Creative design engineers utilize high-definition screens to visualize next-generation footwear concepts with absolute mathematical precision. Three-dimensional software allows development teams to adjust intricate sole curvatures before creating physical production molds. Advanced computer simulations stress test virtual shoe models to analyze real-world performance metrics under immense athletic pressure. Designers carefully select exact digital color palettes on color-calibrated monitors to ensure global aesthetic consistency. Elite athletes test early structural prototypes inside advanced biomechanics labs equipped with high-tech force plates. High-speed cameras capture subtle movement metrics to optimize traction patterns and overall foot strike efficiency. Material research engineers test flexible synthetic compounds to balance premium structural support with lightweight responsiveness. Digital layout systems compute optimized yarn mapping paths to maximize breathability across targeted zones of the upper. Industrial three-dimensional printers fabricate highly accurate physical prototypes to verify intricate aesthetic details instantly. Design specialists examine the physical prototype under calibrated studio lighting to assess textile behavior and form. Approved digital blueprints are securely uploaded directly to automated factory servers across the international manufacturing grid. Centralized server systems immediately distribute complex operational data to thousands of individual automated production machines. High-speed winding mechanisms prepare large spools of recycled polyester thread derived directly from discarded plastic bottles. Eco-friendly dyeing systems infuse vibrant color pigmentation deep into structural fibers using zero wastewater processing techniques. Prepared thread spools travel on automated conveyors toward the highly specialized advanced computerized knitting sector. Rows of automated knitting machines run simultaneously to construct single-piece uppers with unmatched technical accuracy. Precision computerized needles weave intricate patterns to adjust textile thickness dynamically across different sections of the foot. Robotic handling arms smoothly collect newly completed woven sheets from automated bins without manual human intervention. Technicians perform detailed structural checks to verify uniform density throughout the engineered multi-zone woven upper. Optical sensor arrays guide automated laser tables to ensure flawless alignment across layered composite fabric sheets. High-powered industrial lasers slice through synthetic reinforcement panels cleanly without frayed edges or material waste. Pneumatic sorting mechanisms categorize individual fabric pieces based on specific shoe size and designated model colorway. Quality assurance operators carefully examine every cut panel under specialized high-lux illumination units to detect imperfections. Automated thermal presses apply internal structural linings to reinforce targeted stress zones within the upper composite. Heavy-duty mechanical stamping dies punch precise lace eyelets while integrating durable synthetic reinforcements along the collar. Computerized sewing heads stitch regulatory data labels and size tracking tags onto the inner tongue liner. Specialized molding jigs insert rigid internal heel counters to provide optimal stabilization during sudden lateral cutting maneuvers. High-frequency ultrasonic welding units seamlessly fuse complex multi-material overlays without adding heavy traditional stitching thread. Meticulous quality inspectors use calibrated gauges to verify the perfect geometrical symmetry of assembled upper panels. Completed uppers transition smoothly onto overhead hook conveyors to travel toward the secondary lasting line. Industrial vacuum lines deposit raw composite polymer pellets directly into large automated compounding mixing hoppers. Massive thermal mixing units melt advanced rubber compounds down to prepare heavy-duty material for high-traction outsoles. Automated injection systems feed pressurized liquid rubber directly into heated multi-cavity steel waffle traction molds. Hydraulic heavy presses open dynamically to reveal freshly vulcanized outsoles featuring iconic high-performance tread geometries. Rotary trimming systems cleanly shear away excess flash rubber from the perimeter of molded outsole units. Precision injection systems formulate specialized ethyl vinyl acetate polymers to create resilient, energy-returning footwear midsoles. Multi-axis robotic arms carefully extract freshly molded high-rebound foam elements directly from heated aluminum molding plates. Pressurized curing stabilization tunnels adjust foam density to maximize shock absorption and long-term structural resilience. Advanced laser coordinate scanners verify the precise spatial dimensions of molded foam units against digital blueprints. Mechanical belt conveyors transport the validated foam midsoles toward the specialized pressurized air integration sector. Inside this highly secure zone, engineers prepare the revolutionary pressurized air capsules that define legendary footwear performance. Tough polyurethane sheets undergo precise thermal extrusion to create the flexible membranes needed for air cushioning units. Heated aluminum mold plates press the synthetic film layers together to form the distinct air pod chambers. Automated injection needles pump pressurized nitrogen gas into the sealed chambers to provide resilient impact absorption. High-powered laser systems instantly seal the inflation ports to prevent any gas leakage over years of use. Computerized sensors execute strict pressure tests to verify that every capsule meets exact athletic cushion standards. Precision mechanical dies trim away excess perimeter film from the pressurized units before final midsole insertion. Robotic nozzles apply precise patterns of technical adhesive into the molded cavities of the foam midsoles. Skilled assembly workers carefully seat the pressurized capsules directly into the prepared foam midsole cavities. Pneumatic clamping systems apply uniform pressure to bond the air capsule permanently inside the foam core. The completed sole assemblies move along automated tracks to meet the engineered uppers at the lasting station. Technicians select specialized anatomical plastic shoe lasts that match the exact target size of the footwear model. Automated mechanisms slide the engineered fly-knit upper over the rigid plastic last to begin structural shaping. Intense thermal steam chambers soften the synthetic fibers to allow flawless conformity to the last shape. Pneumatic pincers pull the textile upper tightly over the toe box area under precise computerized tension. Heavy mechanical fixtures clamp the heel zone securely to eliminate any wrinkles along the rear profile. Automated side wipers fold the lower textile edges neatly over the bottom insole board for secure attachment. High-frequency ultrasonic waves instantly fuse the folded textile edges directly to the structural inner strobel board. High-speed abrasive wire brushes rough the bottom surface of the lasted upper to optimize adhesive adhesion. Powerful vacuum extraction nozzles clear away microscopic material dust from the roughened fabric bottom surface. Automated roller machines apply an even layer of specialized polyurethane cement across the lasted upper. Robotic spraying arms coat the upper channel of the midsole assembly with high-strength technical adhesive. Intense infrared heat lamps activate the chemical properties of the applied cement inside a drying tunnel. Experienced craftsmen perform a critical visual alignment to position the lasted upper perfectly atop the sole unit. High-pressure hydraulic press bladders squeeze the entire shoe assembly to create an unbreakable structural bond. Sub-zero cooling air flows through a stabilization chamber to set the adhesive crystalline structure permanently. Mechanical breakdown arms carefully extract the rigid plastic last from the newly bonded athletic shoe body. Technicians utilize soft rotating cloth wheels to clean the perimeter bond line of any microscopic residue. Automated sewing needles apply a reinforced lock stitch around the toe tip boundary for maximum separation resistance. High-resolution optical scanners evaluate the entire sole joint perimeter to detect any microscopic bonding voids. Pneumatic insertion tools place a molded contoured foam sock liner deep inside the interior shoe cavity. Mechanical lacing arms thread premium high-tensile cords through the punched eyelets with uniform tension. Laser sensors verify the perfect geometric positioning of the iconic thermal transferred branding logos on the side panels. Focused thermal air nozzles expand the internal padding foam to customize the interior ankle collar fit. Articulated mechanical pistons execute rapid heel compression cycles to verify the real-world rebound performance metrics. Specialized high-friction test wheels simulate aggressive court movements to measure the grip coefficient of the rubber. Automated torque meters twist the completed footwear chassis to check the ideal balance of rotational stability. A precision thermal branding die stamps the final crisp corporate trademark emblem on the rubber outsole. The completed athletic shoes pass underneath intense ultraviolet light tubes.
Laser sensors verify the perfect geometric positioning of the iconic thermal transferred branding logos on the side panels.
Focused thermal air nozzles expand the internal padding foam to customize the interior ankle collar fit.
Articulated mechanical pistons execute rapid heel compression cycles to verify the real-world rebound performance metrics. Specialized high-friction test wheels simulate aggressive court movements to measure the grip coefficients of the rubber.
Automated torque meters twist the completed footwear chassis to check the ideal balance of rotational stability.
A precision thermal branding die stamps the final crisp corporate trademark emblem onto the rubber outsole center. The completed athletic shoes pass beneath intense ultraviolet light tubes to sanitize the entire interior and exterior. Finished footwear pairs move along a synchronized multi-tier conveyor system toward the comprehensive final inspection zone.
Every completed sneaker undergoes an exhaustive final cosmetic audit to guarantee flawless surface aesthetics before shipment.
Robotic handling cells automatically match left and right shoes together based on size and tracking data. High-volume packaging lines feed flat sheets of recycled orange cardboard into high-speed precision folding machinery. Mechanical plungers fold the flat cardboard sheets down forcefully to construct the signature orange shoebox. Automated rollers dispense a continuous sheet of branded protective tissue paper inside the empty shoebox. Multi-axis robotic arms gently lift the verified shoe pair and place them inside the lined box. Line operators perform a rapid final visual verification before closing the signature orange shoebox lid. Automated print and apply stations stamp precise regulatory labels detailing product size, style codes, and tracking barcodes. Industrial barcode readers scan the freshly applied labels to sort individual boxes toward specific destination bins. Robotic vacuum gantries collect individual shoeboxes and pack them securely into large corrugated transit cases. Automated case sealers apply reinforced packing tape along the top seams of the master shipping containers. Heavy-duty robotic arms stack the sealed transit cases neatly onto wooden pallets for bulk logistics distribution. Automated turntable platforms spin the loaded pallets rapidly to wrap them in high-strength protective stretch film. High-speed industrial print nodes apply massive logistics destination sheets to the exterior of the wrapped pallets. Computerized automated guided vehicles transport the prepared pallets across the dispatch floor toward active loading zones.
Industrial electric forklifts lift the prepared pallets smoothly to load them inside global distribution freight trucks.
Logistics supervisors secure the heavy shipping trailer doors and apply tamper-evident security seals before dispatch.
Massive freight trucks depart from the factory shipping bays to transport products toward global distribution hubs. Regional distribution hubs utilize automated sorting networks to route product cases toward specific retail storefront accounts. Local delivery vehicles arrive at premium boutique storefronts to deliver fresh allocations of coveted footwear models.
Boutique store associates catalog incoming shipments into organized inventory systems to prepare for customer product launches.
Visual merchandising teams arrange the completed athletic sneakers on premium lighted display walls inside global flagship stores. Eager customers enter the modern flagship store environment to explore the latest innovations in athletic footwear design.
Welcome to the store. How can I help you both today?
Interactive display tables allow consumers to learn about the specialized technology embedded within the shoe structure. Sales specialists utilize computerized foot scanners to determine the exact size and pressure metrics for an optimal fit. The final purchase decision is solidified as the consumer opens the iconic orange box to inspect the shoes. Sliding into the shoe reveals the engineering synergy of automated Flyknit textiles and pressurized air technology working together. The retail journey completes at modern digital checkout counters, where products are packaged into eco-friendly bags. Outside the store, the shoe transitions from an industrial manufacturing project into an iconic personal style statement. From precise raw elements to your feet, every pair represents a legacy of science, innovation, and sport excellence.